Welcome back, everyone. We're going to be solving LeetCode 412 Fizz. So we're given an integer n, and we need to return a string array, which is one indexed, where answer of I is equal to Fizz if I is divisible by 3 and 5, Fizz if I is divisible by 3, Buzz if I is divisible by 5. Otherwise, it'll just be a string of the current number we are on. So let's look at the examples. We're given n is 3 and an output array where our array is of length 3. So how can we do this? Well, let's say our answer is going to be equal to an empty array. And what do we have to do? Well, we want it 1 indexed, so we're going to loop through all the numbers from 1 up to and including n. So we're going to have to say for I in range 1 to n plus 1. What are we going to do? Well, we're just going to write these conditionals here. So if I is divisible by 3 and I is divisible by 5, what are we going to do? We can just say answer dot append. What's the first one? Fizzbuzz. F-I-Z-Z. Fizzbuzz. If I is divisible by, 3 is the next one. We're going to say answer dot append fizz. If I is only divisible by 5. Let me fix this conditional up here. Okay, what's the next one? It is going to be buzz. So answer dot append buzz. And else, what are we going to do if none of those are true? We are just going to append the string representation of the current number we are on. So string of I. And then we should just be able to return our answer. Okay, so we pass all 3 test cases. Let's run it. And it does work. So let's go back here. What is the time complexity of this problem? Well, essentially all we're doing is looping through all of the numbers, starting at 1 all the way up to n plus 1. So our time complexity is going to be O of n in this case. And our space complexity is, well, the only other space we're working with is our return array. So this is going to be whatever the length of our return array will be. So we can say O of answer dot length. And it's always going to be, whatever the length of whatever n is essentially what the length of answer will be. So, all right, that'll do it for LeetCode 412 Fizzbuzz. Hope to see you guys in the next one.